Best Laptop Trackpad 2023. Hey everyone, hope you guys are fine and doing well. So here I am back with another video. In this video, I am going to share a list of best laptop trackpad 2023. Subscribe to Guide Zoo to watch daily technology videos, and be sure to hit the bell icon. Now let's move on to the topic. Number 1. Apple Magic Trackpad 2. Magic Trackpad is wireless and rechargeable, and it includes the full range of multi-touch gestures and force touch technology. Sensors underneath the trackpad surface detect subtle differences in the amount of pressure you apply, bringing more functionality to your fingertips and enabling a deeper connection to your content. It features a large edge-to-edge glass surface area, making scrolling and swiping through your favorite content more productive and comfortable than ever. Magic Trackpad pairs automatically with your Mac, so you can get to work right away. The rechargeable battery will power it for about a month or more between charges, and it also includes a woven USB-C to Lightning cable that lets you pair dot and charge by connecting to a USB-C port on your Mac. Features of Apple Magic Trackpad 2. Height: 0.19 to 0.43 inch, 0.49 to 1.09 tem. Width: 6.30 inches, 16.0 centimeters. Depth: 4.52 inches, 11.49 centimeters. Weight: 0.51 pounds, 0.230 kilograms. Bluetooth-enabled Mac with OS X 10.11 or later. Number 2. Cinda Multi-Touch. Cinda Multi-Touch just plug the USB cable dot into your computer's USB port. The touchpad is ready to work dot, no additional driver needed. Reliable and stable connection through a USB-C cable enables you to use it freely without any connection problem. Features: high-precision touchpad for multi-touch navigation, 6.3-inch large touch surface for easy browsing, plug and play, no extra driver needed, stable and reliable in connection, compatible with Windows 7 and Windows 10. Computer, laptop, desktop. Specifications: item size 136 x 103 x 3:5. Mem 5.4 x 4.1 x 0.12 to 0.16 inch. Item weight 165 grams, 0.36 pounds. Interface: USB-C to USB 2.0. Hotkeys: 5 keys, working voltage 3.7 V. Number 3. Logitech Wireless Rechargeable Touchpad. The glass-topped Logitech Wireless Rechargeable Touchpad T650 is part of a new wave of standalone touchpads and a larger push toward touch and gesture control in general. A handful of new Windows 8 PCs are now including touchpads in the box, but if you don't have one of those, this is an easy way to make the leap that works easily with Windows 8 systems. Though if you're looking for a completely Apple Dot-like experience, this isn't an exact match, but the blame for that falls on Microsoft. You may have noticed that I mentioned using the T650 with the laptop. Why would you want to do that if your laptop already has a touchpad built in? Many people dock their laptops connected to an external monitor, sometimes adding an external keyboard and mouse as well, especially if the laptop is docked in a closed dot or out-of-the-way position. Having a standalone touchpad along with a wireless keyboard makes for a smoother transition between using your laptop on the go and as part of a docked desktop setup. It connects to your laptop or desktop dot not via Bluetooth, but instead via Logitech's proprietary USB receiver dot like the majority of Logitech mice. The company says that is a more responsive connection than Bluetooth dot, but I've never felt that my Bluetooth-connected Magic Trackpad suffered because of it. Number 4. Logitech K400. The Logitech Wireless Touch Keyboard K400 Plus lets you experience PC to TV entertainment dot the way you watch video, browse the web, chat with friends, and much more. The all-in-one keyboard with touchpad ends the hassle and clutter of multiple devices, and a 32.8-foot wireless range ensures your fun won't be interrupted. Comfortable, quiet keys and a large 3.5-inch touchpad make navigating entertainment effortless. Even setup is a snap thanks to the tiny plug-and-play unifying receiver. Simply plug the unifying receiver into a USB port, and the wireless touchpad keyboard is ready to go. Adjust controls using the Logitech options, software to save preferred settings, built with laid-back control in mind. This wireless TV keyboard dot has a reliable and long battery life of up to 18 months. Features of Logitech K400. Height: 5.51 and 139.9 millimeters. Width 13.95 and 354.3 millimeters. Depth 0.93 and 23.5 millimeters. Weight 13.76 ounces, 390 grams. Number 5. Keymecher Mano Trackpad. Keymecher Mano multi-navigation wired touchpad dot for Windows 7 and 10. It made with ultra-smooth and comfortable touch surface. Provide a whole new way to control and interact dot with what's on your Windows computer screen. Let your finger do the clicking, scrolling, swiping and pinching to zoom easily, corresponding to the Windows 7 and 10 multi-gesture. Computers or laptops compatible dot with Windows 7 and 10 standard function, and can be used immediately just by connecting to the USB port. When it is connected dot, the system will automatically dot be recognized as a high-precision touchpad. You can assign operations dot on various computers with 1 to 4 fingers. Features of Keymecher Mano Trackpad. Touchpad area, W131M x H81M. Interface, USB 2.0. Connection terminals, micro USB. Attached cable, USB-A micro USB. Cable length, 6 feet. Supporting OS, Windows 10 and 7. Size, W140, H100M. D65 meters. Weight, 92 grams. Accessories, USB cable for connection. Thanks for watching this video. Buy Favorite TrackPad. Link in description. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel.